Neologism is the word for newly invented words. Every year, a few hundred new words make it into English dictionaries. Shakespeare is supposed to have made up the maximum number of words, almost 10% of his vocabulary. Do you think that's laughable? Well, laughable is one of the words that Shakespeare made up. But let's jump ahead by 400 years or so and look at some newly minted neologisms. Words invented in the early 21st century. Photography was something that people did on vacations or special occasions. That is, until the smartphone and social media came along and made it a daily, if not an hourly thing. This behavioral change gave rise to new words like selfie, because now it was easy to take your own picture yourself and upload it to social media. Some people like to make this weird face while taking a selfie. It's called a duck face. They stick out their lips, they suck in their cheeks, and presumably they think that it makes them look attractive. Are we attracted to ducks? Sometimes when you're taking a photo, someone jumps into frame unexpectedly and spoils the picture. This prank is called photobombing. If you post your photobomb duck face selfie on social media, a friend might comment LOL. LOL started out as an abbreviation of laugh out loud, but now it's become a word in its own right and means mild amusement. Which brings me to something that is not even mildly amusing, and that is sexting. Sext is a blend of two words, sex and text. To sext is to send somebody a sexually explicit image via the mobile phone. I highly recommend that you don't do it because it could come back to haunt you. There you have it, a bunch of neologisms invented in the 21st century thanks to your smartphone, its camera and social media. I'm the English Nut. It's bye for now.